and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. And welcome to episode 2. And this is for the National Scrapbook Day Project Guidebook. And we are doing layout number 2, or project number 2, which is another 2-page spread. I have, excuse me, I have done all the cutting. Cutting guide is very easy. It tells you what you should be cutting and paying attention to the direction of the paper and all that. So we're going to do this one. And this one involves, I'm going to put this over to the side, is we're going to do some welding. So this is the right side. I am going to flip it over. And just like that. And then I'm going to take regular tape runner. It's not working. Hold on. Let's see if I can. There we go. I don't know what the deal was. It wasn't. There we go. All right. And next to me is I have just a bunch of paper strips that were left over from other things. So I got that. So now we have done side 1. And now we're going to do the other one. So then this is the left side. And we're going to flip it over. And we're going to do the same thing. Is get on the mat. And these are the new blue mats. I love them. They're so bright and it makes it easy to see everything. But they're just a little stinky in like when you get them out. And so I've had mine out, but I still can smell it. So just to warn you, if you get one, they're fabulous, but you just have to let them sit out for a little bit to get the smell. All right, now we've got that side. So left and right for that. And then there we go. All right, let's finish the right side. So the right side is going to have, let's see here. We need, looks like just, let's see here. Kind of looks like we are going to cut it, but we do need both of them. All right, I'm going to put that over there. All right, so the chickens, and I'm going to change, I just have the one, like I said, my previous video, I am doing these all at once, but posting on different days, and all my stuff is packed up for a vendor event, so I have one tape runner, so we're doing all that, and I love repo. I screw up way too much to not use repo for that. So, and then, all right, so then we've got these. That, I think that's this side. Okay, so that, and there we go. These are 3.5 by 3.5. Try and move these up a little bit. Because I kind of want the flower to show, but I don't want to be too far up. All right. Get these. Keep going. I don't know why I just flipped that over previously, because I asked my friend that this last weekend. I said, do you ever just like flip your the cardstock over. She looked at me like I was a little bit crazy. And I'm like, it's just habit. Like you always want to just flip stuff over. So, yeah. All right, let's get the placeholders on here for those. We got 2, 3, 4. Put those aside. Might need some more later. And I just put a strip, and then I'll either double map my photos or I'll pull it off, and then I'll recycle them for later. As long as they look pretty good when I pull them up. Okay. Then on this one, it does have it where I could chop or do the inverted corner rounder, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do this. So let's see that, like that. Actually, I'm going to move this over. That one there. So, and you could do that if you wanted to. All right, and I got that. Okay, and then let's trim. Just use you can use a trimmer or you can use your scissors. I'm just going to use the trimmer to just trim this excess off for that. And then I need, looks like, those do not, looks like I need this here. Those must be part of the next one and they just ended up in the wrong place, which is fine. So I am going to get some foam and some foam strips on there. All right, there's that one. Getting these off is tricky. Okay, so I got the bird. Okay, and I'm just looking to make sure I'm not missing anything else for that side. Nope. All right, let's get. All right, then we got this guy. All right, and then we're just doing the 2. All right, so this, I'm gonna move this guy right here. I don't know, so you can see it, but I'm just using it so I can line it up. And then line this one up. There we go. And then we've got this and this and that. So let's get this guy kind of how we want it. I think that works. And then I may have to adjust. Yeah, I'm going to move this out a little bit. Okay, now get this guy up here, and I could notch it out, but I'm not. I'm just gonna do that. And then the chickens. So this chicken covers up that one. Okay. Bring that back here to try and line up. So that's covering that chicken. I see how they kind of did it like that. All right. Move that one out of the way and we'll flip him over and trim again. This back of this paper is so pretty. Love it. All right. Oops. Let's move over a little bit. All right. Get that cut off. All right. And then I need 4x6 sheets. Oh, that's not going to be 4x6. That's 5 and should have read that. 5.5. Let's see what I can find for 5.5. I do have these, and these I printed on my computer, but they have new ones that you can buy individually. You can buy a whole set, or you can buy them individual, like the 5.5 by 3.5, and or the other. Okay. Let me look to see if I'm missing. Nope. All right. This one is done. Easy peasy put together for that. And the chickens are super cute. And, if you wanted to, you could put, a photo over here or a photo over here. And because you've got 4, 5, 6, so you could almost get 8 on there if you needed to, if you wanted to put some more photos on there as well. Well, thanks for joining me for this is the project number 2 or layout number 2 for National Scrapbook Day. Thanks for joining me. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. I do hold events in the Des Moines metro area, and I will put all the information below of how to connect with me. My next event will be May, which is National Scrapbook Day. Well, thanks again and have a great day.